This is a great moment for us. You came all the way from Dubai, and can you please say something to Indians? How this business is? What is Forever all about?
Hi, thank you very much. My name is Dr. Shaheen Ismail. I'm coming from Dubai, but I'm originally Indian from Bombay. And I started this company 5.5 years back due to my health issues. But when I started getting the cash back, and of course I got relief from my health issues also. So vitamin M attracted me, as it attracts everybody. And I started introducing these products to my clients, how these products are helpful and all that. So my very first check was 124 dirhams, which is almost 2500 rupees. But it was a big amount for me because it was earned by myself. Then my next check was 120 dirhams, where I was just a user. But when I started developing a business, as a business development, I got my first check for 1100 dirhams. And that was the start of my business journey here. It was 2014, and I became manager in 3 months. And very first year, I qualified for Eagle Manager Trait of Lake Tahoe, California.
Fantastic.
And she was our saint, Bibi Khadija. She was the best businesswoman. So we should follow her and be a business entrepreneur and show to everybody that yes, by sitting at home also. And the first very good thing, you don't require any qualification here. No language bars, no qualification bars. So you can do with by taking care of your children, your husband, your family people, and if you start earning at least 1000 rupees also, after some time it will grow. There is no limit on earnings.
Great.
So thank you very much.
And currently, how much you are making currently per month?
I get check from Middle East. So my last check was 28,960 dirhams.
In rupees?
No, dirhams.
In rupees
equivalent to nearly 6 lakhs rupees.
6 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Please clap for her. And secondly, I would like to ask you, you did manager in 3 months.
Yes.
So is it with customers or is it with business people?
No, with business both. Business people and customer both.
You keep sharing and multiplying.
Yes.
How many team members were there to become 120cc?
When I became manager, my direct appointment was only 17, and whole team I think was 50 people.
50 people. So
But because I had retailing also, so it helped in my level. But the XYZ brand gets over in 15 to 20 days.
Yes.
So that's how we calculate and show the ladies. Okay, here you will spend in a month hardly 15 dirhams, and there you are spending 90 dirhams in 2 months.
For the chemical, and this is a high
Yes.
quality brand.
Here you are getting a good quality product which is safe for children also, for entire family. Plus you are getting business opportunity worldwide in 165 countries,
Yes.
which that XYZ brand is not giving you. So this thing clicks majority of housewives. So,
And same thing you are saying, instead of you can also save as well as earn.
yes. So because when you start buying the product from here, even personal care and skin care also, you start sharing it. So at a certain period of time, you get your product at a free. Like if I am earning, suppose 1 lakh rupee also, and I am using product of 20,000 rupees. So my products are free for me, and plus I am earning also. Plus I am giving good message of health and wealth to other people. And the very important thing is the blessing of the people who are getting results, health-wise also and financially also, which you don't get anywhere.
Great, madam. And Shaheen is from Dubai, and see now she's making 6 lakhs, but slowly it becomes 16 lakhs
Inshallah.
and 60
Inshallah.
lakhs. God bless you, madam. Please, thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much. Managers travel. I did car plan twice, level 1. Again in April I did it, and I want to give a message especially for ladies, those who are feeling hesitation or something like that that they can't do, but it's not like that. I think ladies can do this work more better than men's because ladies are very easily spread the word, because we chit chat for so many things, we gossip for so many things. Especially ladies, they spend their time on watching TV serials and then discussing those serial jewelry and clothes and all these things. So better utilize those time in reading about the product and sharing this with other ladies. So by sitting at home also you can earn. You don't have to go out of the way to do anything. And by sitting at home, nobody can stop you to do anything. And especially for a Muslim women's, we are having the world's best business lady. She was our saint, Bibi Khadija. She was the best businesswoman. So we should follow her and be a business entrepreneur and show to everybody.
Great, madam. And finally, I want to ask you, you said a message that housewife always is hesitant to buy our products.
Yes.
And what are you saying to tell them? Like saving beautiful words you said. Please tell me those.
See, ladies, especially we ladies, we want to buy good quality product, but at a reasonable price.
Okay.
And when we go to supermarket, we means ladies go to supermarket and they pick up, they want a quality product with lesser price, but they don't get. So they end up with buying cheaper product, although they know okay they are not good quality. What we advise them, okay, you change your brand. Okay, and we compare the price according to the area. Like in UAE, we get some XYZ toothpaste for 30 dirhams, whereas our tooth gel is also 30 dirhams. But this our tooth gel is we can use if 4 people's family almost 2.5 months. But the XYZ brand gets over in 15 to 20 days.
Yes.
So that's how we calculate and show the ladies. Okay, here you will spend in a month hardly 15 dirhams, and there you are spending 90 dirhams in 2 months.
For the chemical, and this is a high quality brand.
Here you are getting a good quality product which is safe for children also, for entire family. Plus you are getting business opportunity worldwide in 165